morning to one and all. Today I'm having this new VEGA DV Bolt helmet. I purchased this from Flipkart for 1585. Let me unbox this. Here is the new DV Bolt helmet. So the helmet looks like this. It's very stylish and it has max airflow sticker over here and VEGA label in the back side. This helmet is 1200 grams and the GoPro can be mounted very easily in the front. The helmet is very comfortable and it's stylish too, and I love this feature. It's very useful in hot sun. At this price, it's a very decent and good helmet. I'll leave a link in description below. Please do check it out.